Hey there and welcome to my steampunk floating house mock showcase. Alright, so here is the model. This was a serious endeavor to build, and I am really happy with how it turned out. I'm going to just kind of go through this starting at the top and then getting my way down to the bottom. So up here we have got our balloon, and here on top we've got, I guess, a weather vane there. And we've got this interesting, this is not only a steampunk model, but also kind of post-apocalyptic in style. So we can assume that these people are using whatever parts necessary to survive, and that kind of explains this strange apparatus we've got up on top here. This is I am using the Lego balloon pieces because I kind of felt they just kind of gave it the right feel. They kind of contrast nicely with the rest of the model in that they are quite smooth in comparison to this kind of crazy thrown together look that we've got going on down there. Okay, moving down, we've got this boiler back here, and we've got, this is kind of like a family that lives on this house. So here we've got the grandpa here, and this is the rotor back here. Here we've got the boiler, and as you might be able to see there, the attachment where I connect the balloon to the rest of the body is concealed within that flame. So here you can see we've got the barrel where the water for that boiler would be stored. And up here we have the wheel that steers this whole house, and our pilot there. Alright, moving on down. Here we have, I'll go around the outside here. We've got the front with this bull kind of skull in there and this window. Here we have this guy who's, I guess, like shooting down any birds or dragons or whatever they might run into in this world that they exist in. Continuing around the side, we see here's the ladder through which the crew can ascend to the work on the boiler or get to the pilot's area there. And these cloths, you can see in more detail in a moment, conceal the doorway entries to the interior. So yeah, we've got some nice like wood detailing along here. As you can tell, this is kind of thrown together with a lot of scrap pieces. Back here we've got the door with the key in the lock. I guess they're not expecting any thieves to show up in the middle of the sky. Around the other side here, we've got another kind of balcony area. And up here on the roof, we can see they've got a bunch of their gear and luggage wrapped up and chained on there. Here they've got some rations, and there is another doorway into the interior. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior now. Okay, so the roof, you can see here, just pops off like so. And now we can see what it looks like without the roof on here. You get a better view of those. I used minifigure cape pieces over those windows. And around here, there's this window, this guy again here. So inside we have got a relatively spacious interior. You can see through this door back here that there's like this stove, little stove in there, kind of wood stove style thing. And up here we've got our navigator charting the course, maybe looking for treasure. And here is our navigator in there. I really hope you like this model. It was a ton of fun for me to build, and also a good challenge, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. Thanks, and see you again soon. Please like and sub below.